Hello, I am going to show you how to take your rough draft and use your peer editing advice and turn it into your final draft. So the first thing you will do is you will go to your draft that we worked on in class, the lady or the tiger, choose writing choice 2020, and you will go to your rough draft. And you will select your rough draft and you will copy and paste, just copy, which is you go to file, you go to edit, copy, and you will then go into your classroom. And when you go to classroom, you're going to see a new assignment, and the assignment is going to either be called Short Story Unit Final Analysis or Short Story Unit Final Alternate Ending. You're going to go to the one that matches the assignment you did, and you are going to simply, where it says copy and paste your analysis here, it says story, it really should say analysis, I will fix that. The rubric should be below your work. Remove this after you have copied and pasted your work here. No highlights should remain on the document. So you will do exactly what that says. You will copy and paste it. You will notice that it is double spaced, and you will, whoops. Okay, if you do exactly what I just did, that's great. Great opportunity for me to teach you how you go to the spacing, the bar with 2 arrows, and turn it to double, because we want it double spaced for your final. And then you tab to indent. Then to take away all the highlights, we're really cleaning up here. This is really all about formatting. So you just remove all the highlights by simply clicking the highlight button and going to none. And then you do need to have a title, even on an essay. So a lot of times, like fancy writers, you could make up something interesting, or you could, if you're not feeling creative, you can simply say on the lady or the tiger. Sometimes people just say on, meaning it's the topic about. And then you will put in your name. This is fake student, and fake student is in period C. And you will again remove all the highlights, because we don't want any highlights. We just want clean, neat text. And then it's time, you're not done yet, you think you are, but it's time actually to read it over one more time and see what is possibly missing. This is your very last chance to do that. I noticed that in this fake student, the person, they didn't do the citation, which they learned in the Nearpod. So this is Stockton, page 2, to cite the text properly. So I just noticed they didn't do that, so I'm going to do it for them. Yikes, what did I just do? See, you get to see all of these mistakes. It's great. Great learning. And then there's another quote. Here it is. Escape from the judgments of the king's arena. Look at that. I hadn't even closed out the quotes. Oof. Bad student. Fake student, whoever you are. It's not you, Miss Davenport. Definitely not you. So there, now I've cited properly, like a good high school student. Then that's more or less, I've read it over carefully. I feel pretty good about it. I'm ready to turn it in. Then the last thing I need to do is I need to go to my document and let's see if I can find an example, because I really don't want to do this and mess up somebody